What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Sneaker Huddle. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can cop the upcoming Ambush Nike Dunk High in the Fuchsia Pink colorway. We're also going to be talking about estimated resale predictions for this sneaker if you are interested in the projected resale values. We're also going to be talking about the raffles you can enter, how you can go about adding these sneakers to your personal collection, where they're going to be dropping, when they're going to be dropping, and how to cop. So if you enjoy those types of videos and sneaker content, consider subscribing. Now, first and foremost, the raffles you can enter for the Nike Dunk High, Ambush, and the Fuchsia Pink colorway are on Naked, CPH, Antonia, In Clothing, and BSTN. Now, the link to all these raffles can be found down below in the video description. That link will take you to our Twitter account. We always post updated raffle threads for each and every highly anticipated sneaker drop. So while you're there, be sure to follow us on Twitter at Sneaker Huddle. Now, getting into where these are going to be dropping on February the 4th. Now, first up is Soulbox, which of course Soulbox is a European retailer. So if you are in the US and you would like to go for Soulbox, be sure that you do have a reshipper set up. Now, getting back into the details for Soulbox, they are rumored to drop at 9 a.m. CET, which is equivalent to 3 a.m. Eastern time. And the good thing about Soulbox is that it is a very manual friendly site. But going back to the beginning of the video, guys, these are going to be limited to 25,000 pairs. So would expect the total stock for the retailers that do receive these extremely limited dunks to be anywhere from 100 to 200 pairs, with most of the stock is going to be on Ambush, and the other half of the stock is most likely going to be on Nike sneakers. So all the retailers that we did mention, it's going to be a shot in the dark, unfortunately, to cop these sneakers. But Soulbox is a very good manual friendly site. They're going to be very limited. Just be sure to log into your account and have a reshipper ready if you are by chance outside of Europe and you are going for these sneakers. Now, second up, the retailer that's going to be dropping second is going to be one that does have a good amount of stock, and that's Ambush. They are rumored to drop at anywhere from 3 to 4 a.m. Eastern time. They will have a good amount of stock. Just be sure to log in, and they do offer worldwide shipping. And next up is Dover Street Market London, which is rumored to drop at 6 a.m. Eastern time, or they could perhaps drop a few hours after, but most of the drops do go down at 6 a.m. Eastern time. Now, this is a Shopify site, so if you are in a cook group, or if you're not in a cook group and you have access to a bot, or if you have access to someone that is a slot provider and you would like to have the opportunity to go for Dover Street Market London and also Dover Street Market New York, which we're about to talk about, would highly recommend to fill out slots for this release because it's a impossible site manually. So if you do have a bot, go about the process of setting up your bot properly for this drop. And if you're a manual user, I would highly recommend to utilize slots. And the next two sites that are going to be dropping these sneakers are going to be United States retailers, which of course is going to be Nike Sneakers US. They are going to be dropping at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 10 a.m. Eastern here in the United States, and also dropping at the exact same time frame is going to be Kith. Now, it's unconfirmed if Kith is going to receive these sneakers in the Fuchsia Pink colorway, but we would expect them to do so. We will know a few hours before. If you are by chance in a group, your group should let you know that these are going to be dropping on Kith. And if you're in the Lace Network, which more details to the Lace Network, I will leave their link down below in the video description. It's the cook group that I use, and there's also a discount code down there if you are interested. But if you are in the Lace Network, they will have early links if they do drop on Kith. So definitely utilize those early links on Kith. And if Kith does drop, definitely expect a CAPTCHA and definitely expect to answer a question. For the question on Kith, you could expect something as simple as, what color is this sneaker? And you would simply put in pink and you would hit submit, and then that's going to put you in the queue. Be sure to have autofill logged in, ready to go, and have it obviously logged in, ready to go, and submit your order as quick as possible. They're going to be extremely limited if they do by chance drop on Kith. And the best shot at copping these sneakers is of course going to be on Nike sneakers, which of course they're dropping on Nike sneakers US and a few other Nike sneakers worldwide. We will have all those details and links on our Twitter account. So once again, be sure to follow us on Twitter at Sneaker Huddle. The link is in the description below. But anyways, guys, when it comes to Nike sneakers, there's no secret to it. You just need to simply enter as many accounts as possible. This is going to be a Leo drop, which is obviously a let everyone order drop. You'll have 2 minutes to enter as many accounts as possible. Now, last but not least, the estimated resale prediction for the Nike Dunk High Ambush collaboration. I would expect our estimated resale prediction that we did do in our monthly segment where we made estimated resale predictions for every sneaker dropping, the most hyped, the most profitable, and the most anticipated, which I will link that right here in the top right hand corner and down below in the video description. Be sure to check it out if you are a reseller, or if you're just a sneakerhead, you'll know what sneakers are going to be dropping in the first half and typically what they should be selling for around drop day. But I would expect these, like we said in that video, to be $400 and up. They're going to be extremely limited, extremely difficult to cop. Best of luck on drop day. I wish that there were more retailers and more raffles that we could mention in today's video, but as of right now, that's all that we have. If there are any updated retailers or raffles, we will update you on Twitter, so be sure to follow us on Twitter, turn post notifications on. That way you get a notification for every single time we send out a tweet, whether it's a shock drop, whether it's a restock, or whether it's sneaker updates or information. God bless each and every one of you. Be sure to check out every single highly anticipated sneaker drop that's coming at you the first half of February, and have a great day.